Hi, I'm Simon Hicks from SixEye. We're here at ISE 2020 showcasing our remote management platform, which brings together the unique capabilities of devices from multiple manufacturers and offers their native functions directly. So if you're a systems integrator, you can have your own SixEye portal. It will carry your own internet, your own branding, and it will be at your own internet domain, so you can present it to your customers as your own remote management service. Devices on the platform can all be managed in one project. You can see here we have a project with devices from Pharos controls and pathway connectivity. They're all in one project in the portal from TS Lighting Design, and the portal is powered by SixEye. At ISE, we're showcasing our new remote scheduling feature, which lets you or your clients schedule tasks to run across all devices in a project from multiple manufacturers without having to travel to site. It's also perhaps worth saying that devices connected to SixEye connect directly. There's no additional hardware required, and they only share the data that's required by SixEye. So the bandwidth requirements are so low that you can use a cellular router to get internet access at virtually any location. As a portal owner, you can invite end users into your project, grant them bespoke access with SixEye's granular permissions. So in fact, an end user could just be limited to this control panel, which is just a simple button interface designed for use on mobile or desktop, and with granular permissions, end users will only have permission to run these buttons just for day-to-day control. Sales of the product have been increasing through the end of 2019. We now have customers managing projects worldwide, from Australia to the US, Europe, Mexico, and so far this year we've had a surge of interest in the new features. We have just welcomed ETC as a SixEye connected manufacturer, and we're looking forward to many more manufacturers going live on the platform this year.